So good morning students. So then after completion of preparation methods of carboxylic acids, then today we are going to discuss about properties of carboxylic acids. So first one is physical properties of carboxylic acids. First one is physical properties of carboxylic acids. Actually first one is up to up to 9 carbons. It means carboxylic acid with up to 9 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Up to 9 carbons. Carboxylic acids. Okay. Up to 9 carbons. Carboxylic acids are colorless. What is it? It is the colorless. Okay. Colorless liquids. What are colorless liquids? With unpleasant odor. Colorless liquids with unpleasant odor. So odor means smell. Okay, unpleasant odor. So these are the physical property. First one is up to 9 carbons of carboxylic acids, colorless liquids with unpleasant smell. Second one is higher carboxylic acids. What is higher carboxylic acids? Higher carboxylic acids boiling points are greater than aldehydes, ketones, esters, alkyl halides, alkanes, alcohol, etc. So then higher carboxylic acids. So then higher carboxylic acids boiling points. What is a higher carboxylic acids? Boiling points is greater than boiling points of. What is a higher carboxylic acids? Boiling points is greater than boiling points of aldehydes. What is aldehydes? Esters, ethers, alcohols, and alkanes. What is alkanes? So why boiling points of the carboxylic acids are greater than all these compounds? Due to intermolecular hydrogen bondings. What is intermolecular hydrogen bondings? Okay. So now third one is, so actually solubility of carboxylic acids is decreases. So then solubility of carboxylic acids decreases with increasing alkyl group. What is alkyl group in carboxylic acid? So for example, CH3, it is COOH. CH3COH solubility is greater than CH3 CH2COOH. So wherein it is the alkyl R, it is the lower alkyl, it is the higher alkyl group. So if the alkyl group increases, so then solubility of the carboxylic acid is decreases. Actually, carboxylic acids are soluble in polar organic solvents. So soluble in polar organic solvents. Polar organic solvents like, what is polar organic solvents like, what is benzene C6H6, comma chloroform CHCl3. What is chloroform? CHCl3. And also ethers. What are ethers? ROR is the ethers. ROR is the ethers. So actually higher carboxylic acid boiling points are greater than boiling points of aldehydes, esters, ethers, alcohols, alkanes due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So intermolecular hydrogen bonding means hydrogen bond present in between two molecules of same molecule or different molecules. Same molecule or different molecules. For example, it is R, it is C, double bond O, it is O, it is H. R, C, O, OH. It is one group of carboxylic acid. So same as it is the C, it is the R, it is double bond O, it is O, and it is H. RCOOH. RCOOH. So now hydrogen with partially positive charge, oxygen with partially negative charge. Oxygen with partially negative charge. Same as oxygen with partially negative charge, hydrogen with partially positive charge. Now hydrogen bond between partially negative charged oxygen and partially positive charged hydrogen. So generally hydrogen bond is denoted with dotted lines. So these are the hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding, that is intermolecular hydrogen bonding. What is intermolecular hydrogen bonding? So these are the physical properties of the carboxylic acids. So now after completion of the physical properties, then we are going to discuss about chemical properties. What are chemical properties of the carboxylic acids? So now chemical properties of carboxylic acids. First one is reaction due to fission of OH bond. Okay, what is first one is reaction due to the fission of OH bond. First one is reaction due to fission. Fission means break, cleavage. Reaction due to fission of OH bond. What is OH bond? So it is the first chemical reaction. So now it is in this process carboxylic acids are react with metals. So now for example 2 moles of RCOOH carboxylic acid, it is react with sodium, it is the metal. What is the sodium? Metal. Sodium metal. So then it gives what is 2 moles of RCOONA, 2 moles of RCOONA, and it produces hydrogen gas. What is it? Produces hydrogen gas, wherein OH bond is cleavage. So for example, it is explained with one suitable example. 2 moles of CH3C, okay, CH3C, it is a double bond O, it is O bond H. So it is the O bond H. So now it is 2 moles of what is Na? 2 moles of Na. So then 2 moles of CH3 C double bond O, CH3 C double bond O, O. Okay. So now to breakage this bond. So then it is CO, it is Na. CH3 COONA plus what is H2. So wherein fission means breaking, cleavage, fission of what is OH bond. It is the OH bond. Similarly. So now same as for example what is RCOOH. It is reactive with base. It is reactive with base NaOH. So then gives rise to, it gives RCOONA and OH combines with H, then it gives H2O. What is a H2O? So here in example, in the place of R, if we take what is CH3 COOH plus NaOH, it gives a CH3 COO Na plus H2O. So it is the sodium acetate. Sodium, what is a acetate? Sodium acetate. So it is acetic acid. So now wherein cleavage of what is OH bond, simply it is what is C double bond O, it is O bond H. So now it is the cleavage. CH3COO Na, H combines with OH, it gives the sodium acetate. So it is the reaction. So third one is generally, third one is RCOOH. So these are react with Na2CO3 or NaHCO3. What is Na2CO3 or NaOHCO3? So now we take 2 moles. So then it uses 2 moles of RCOONA, RCOONA plus H2O plus what is CO2. So very important point is carboxylic acids are react with carbonates and bicarbonates, which produces carbon dioxide. Which produces carbon dioxide? For example, if you take what is 2 moles of acetic acid, CH3 C double bond O, it is O bond H, plus Na2, what is CO3, sodium carbonate. So now fission of OH bond. So now 2 moles of CH3 C double bond O, okay. So it is O, it is Na, and 2 moles of H2 combines with 1 oxygen plus H2O plus what is CO2 is produces. So it is the reaction due to the fission of OH bond. That is the first chemical properties of the carboxylic acid. So now second one is, so listen carefully, second reaction is reaction due to fission of CO bond. What is CO bond? Okay, CO bond. So now this reaction is also known as esterification. So this reaction is known as esterification. It means carboxylic acids are converted into esters. Carboxylic acids are